Willesey View coming to the market. It's in Hallworthy, which is near the market, and it's not too far from Willesey Down pub. You've also got the Willesey Woods, which provides great walks for the dogs, and only a few minutes in the car to the North Cornwall coast and beaches. So this is a fantastic semi-detached property, just over 10, maybe 11 years old, and it's have a look at the video and then book a viewing. Take care.